Welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the RAPIDLASH. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. My wife purchased with her own money, so just doing this unboxing for you to check it out. I think she paid pretty pricey. I think it's like 30 something bucks. MSRP is like $50. But I saw some on the eBay was like I think the cheapest I found was like $12.50 plus tax but free shipping. So, but it says new and other. So sometimes when we purchase the stuff on eBay or Amazon or other site, you want to go in and check out, make sure it's brand new product, seal, not open or used. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside here. By the way, this is the new latest product. I think the previous one is like a pinkish color. This one is the eyelash enhance serum. They have the other one is eyebrow and eyelash daily conditioner. So she used this RAPIDLASH before. She say it works. And this is the ingredient right here. Hydrate improvement. This one is the 3 milliliter. Right here is the ingredient. Pumpkin. And then direction on how to use it. This is made in USA. And here are some of the warnings. And right here is the barcode or EPC code. Go ahead and open one of them so you guys could see the new bottle. Whoa. Some good sticky glue in here. So right here is the item number 34092. Yep. So in case you want to do some legit check, make sure you have the embossed here, wrap it, and then the rest of them just print it on. They might sell the knockoff, you never know. Let's go and then check out the expiration date on this. If I could get this thing off. Zero 0926. So unfortunately, when you buy it, you can only see the expiration date when you peel this sticker off. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.